is there anything I can help you with before we go?
I think we just need more practice on it really.
Okay.
Because it's been a while, like, we do go on like every lesson, but like, it's been a while since I've like concentrated on doing it.
Okay, alright, Sam, we'll have a go at that. Good. So we can't indicate, but we could move to show this when we're going. Just move slowly. So by moving slowly, it gives them time to see us and act appropriately to what we're doing. Happy now?
Yeah, like this, like...
Okay. Good. Good. So sometimes, just like in that scenario, it's impossible to signal to let people know with an indicator. You can still do it with your movement of your car and your position and your speed.
Yeah.
Alright? Good. Nice job.